Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to The Body Wish. It's an honor to be here. The 30-day reset represents a breakthrough in modern nutrition and holistic well-being. It's an evidence-based protocol that helps you consume less food while increasing the amount of nutrition that your body actually needs. It supports natural detoxification and it helps you better manage everyday stress. I want to emphasize this is not a diet. There is no tracking calories. It's a science-backed system with multiple peer-reviewed studies confirming its effectiveness. So how does it work and why does it deliver such powerful results? Let's dive in. Let's start by looking at what a typical diet often looks like today. Many people consume foods that are high in calories but low in real nutritional value. The result? We're taking in more than enough energy, yet missing out on vital nutrients our bodies truly need. In other words, we're overfed and undernourished. Even foods we think of as healthy, like organic produce, don't always deliver the same nutrient density they did decades ago. On top of that, our daily lives expose us to an increasing number of contaminants in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even the food we eat. When you combine poor nutrient intake, environmental toxins, and everyday stress, the impact is significant. These three factors contribute to fatigue, brain fog, allergies, excessive weight gain, and a host of other health issues that so many people struggle with today. Think of the 30-day reset as a simple yet powerful solution to three major challenges. It floods your body with essential nutrients, it helps clear out harmful toxins, and it helps you manage your stress. Together, these three components create a synergistic effect that transforms how your body feels and functions. The best part? It's easy to weave into your daily routine. It's perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. There's no need to obsess over calorie counting or fight constant food cravings. Instead, this system naturally encourages safe, sustainable weight reduction without putting strain on your metabolism. By eliminating toxins stored in the visceral fat cells, it allows those cells to shrink in size. The result is healthy weight loss that preserves lean muscle, leaving you feel energized and balanced. On the other hand, traditional diets and appetite-suppressing drugs often come with serious drawbacks. Research shows that as much as 40% of the weight loss through these methods can be lean muscle mass. And losing lean muscle is not healthy weight loss. Even more concerning, appetite suppression drugs carry a history of moderate to serious side effects. So while they may promise quick results, they can compromise your long-term health and vitality. The 30-day reset is a holistic solution designed to optimize your body's natural ability to rebuild and restore itself. It supports gut health, helps calm cravings, and gives your system the nourishment it needs to thrive. If you're ready to explore what this can do for you, I invite you to book a free coaching session and begin your wellness journey. My name is Chris, and I'm here to guide you, not to pressure you. This is simply an opportunity to learn more and decide if it feels right for you. The session is completely free, and the choice is yours.